So today we're going to look at what might be the best clear case for the iPhone 17 series, and it just needs one thing to really solidify it being the best. And today we are taking a look at the Rhino Shield clear case for that 17 Pro Max and iPhone Air. Now, huge shout out to Rhino Shield for sending this over to me to review for you guys. The price on this is $46.99, but you know I got you with a discount code. Use code Brian10 to save 10% off of your entire purchase on Rhino Shield's website. Let's go ahead and check the case out. So starting off, we do have the packaging here. Very classic, recently Rhino Shield packaging. This very nice, eco-friendly, sustainability inside and out packaging. So you do get that. Go ahead and pull this out, and in here you are greeted with a couple of things. You get your case and some paper there, and you do get a little disclaimer card right there. Feel free to pause and read that for yourself. It's about the MagSafe strength. So let's go ahead and set this off to the side. Open this out of the paper. Here we have the clear case. Put that to the side, and let's take a look. Now, we are looking at a completely polycarbonate case here. So the camera plateau, the back, inside, outside, everything is polycarbonate. You do get your MagSafe and alignment magnet here. Now going to the inside, same polycarbonate material, MagSafe alignment magnet, and you are also getting that polycarbonate going all the way around the inside of the case. Of course, we have to have a camera control button. There we go. We do have one here, and it does work well, which we will test out. Now, I also do have the case for the iPhone Air, as well as the ash black color, which of course I'll show you guys all of these. But for right now, let's go ahead and bring over our scale and our caliper, and we'll see how much this thing weighs and how thick it is. So starting off with the 17 Pro Max version, we are looking at 37 grams, and with the iPhone Air, why not 36 grams? So that's actually a little bit of a shocker that these are 1 gram difference compared to the size of the phone and the thinness. But that's what you get, 37 grams, 36 grams. So that's gonna be that. Then bring over our caliper here. From front to back, we are looking at 12.9 with your plateau 15.8, and then inside to outside 1.8 millimeters. And then going with the iPhone Air front to back, you have 10 exactly with your camera plateau 12.7, and inside to outside you also have 1.8. So this is going to be the same thickness on both of these devices. The only difference really is the weight and obviously the size of the phone, but you are getting a pretty good weight and thickness on this case. It's not going to be too heavy. Definitely does not feel like it's thick or heavy on your phone when you're using it on either the Pro Max or the iPhone Air. But for right now, let's go ahead and bring over that Cosmic Orange 17 Pro Max. We'll put it in here, and let's listen out for that click. This case has a seriously tight click, a very tight fit. The first time I put this case on my phone, I almost thought that it would scratch the phone up because of how tight it is. It's tough to even get it to click in, but it feels and fits very, very good on the phone. And I'll just show you guys. I mean, let's look at these. First of all, let's look at the sides. You're getting zero movement. Polycarbonate every single where you're going. Exactly no movement. Like completely a stiff case. Looking at those corners. 1, 2. I mean, listen to these. 3. And 4. The top 2 are serious clicks on there. The bottom 2 are very good as well. Extremely, extremely tight fit when it comes to this case. And looking at that camera and screen protection real quick, wipe that down. I am using a full coverage tempered glass screen protector, and you're getting a screen lip there too. It might be tough to see with the clear case, but you are getting a screen lip. Set this down on whatever surface you want. You'll be good to go. Same thing with your camera plateau. You guys are getting a pretty good camera plateau right there. So you can set this down also on whatever surface. Now, the back is polycarbonate. Will it scratch? It might, but this thing will not yellow. And Rhino Shield says so much so that if it does yellow for some reason, they have a lifetime warranty. Get in touch with Rhino Shield to send you a new case for free. So that's that. Let's look at also the iPhone Air version. Why not, right? We'll go ahead and put this in here, and oh, same really good click. Let me get rid of that. Great click onto here. Looking at, I mean, the sides, same thing. Even really no need to test them. Everything about these cases are the same, basically. 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner, 4 corner. Incredible fit on here. Same thing, you're getting very good screen protection. Camera lip right there, or your camera plateau. Set it down on whatever surface you want, and you will be just fine either way that you use it. Now, unfortunately, only have this color, the clear, for the iPhone Air, so that's all I can show you guys. But of course, I'll show you the ash black with the 17 Pro Max. So let's go ahead and look around the sides of the case, right? So starting off at the top, it is completely clear. You're closed here. On the left-hand side, you have your action button, volume up and down, close the rest of the way, and you do have a little bit of a Rhino Shield logo there, very faint, so it's not super easy to see. Now, looking at these buttons, we will test them in a second. Look at that protrusion. I wish it was a little easier to see. Maybe it might be if you look at the black one right here. Do you see how much those protrude out? These buttons they are plastic, they are standalone, but they have a fantastic click to them, which let's listen to how those sound. Very nice clicky buttons. They protrude, they're good feeling, they won't scratch up your phone. Feel very nice. Love the buttons on here. Going to the bottom, we have our microphone and speaker cutouts. Very nice, wide open USB Type-C port, which let's go ahead and bring over a cable here. We'll plug this in. There we go, we are charging. Very nice, wide open, and you have to test the iPhone Air because of the uneven port on the phone. And bringing over our cable here, let's plug this in, and we will not fit with this cable. So it might be just because of that USB Type-C port right there being uneven, but I think I would also like to see the cutout be a little bit tiny wider than this, just so it does have a little bit of more space for the thicker USB Type-C ports. But I understand why you may not be able to because of the microphones down here. You're gonna wanna have no compromisations with that. So your thinner cables will fit in here. I have had cables fit in, but the thicker head cables probably will not. And then moving along to the right-hand side, you do get your camera control and your power button there. Now, one thing about it is this is not a color-matched camera control button. It's going to be the same black button across all of the cases. So that is just one thing. You are going to get a little touch of black right there. But of course, you can substitute that for the black buttons from Rhino Shield. You can get those, and then it'll look kind of nice and even, that black and orange vibe. But let's go ahead and check out that camera control, right? So go ahead and do that. I mean, really solid camera control button. No complaints there. Go ahead and take our usual picture here. Click that. There we go. Boom. And here we go. Everything works just fine. Same thing with the iPhone Air. Go ahead and click that. It goes back and forth. No problems whatsoever. So B, what do you think about the Rhino Shield clear case? Well, I think this might be, as you guys saw the title, this might be the best clear case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. But it needs one thing, and that one thing is going to be just some kind of grip dots going on the sides. This case is a little bit slippery. I have to admit it. When you're holding it, I've dropped it a couple of times. I love the case. Otherwise, it's so good. Great fit. Super tight MagSafe. We will look at that in a second. Great buttons. Just everything about it is good. It doesn't feel heavy. It's a little bit boxy, which I like. Gives you a nice, comfortable feeling on the hand. But it just needs a little bit of grip on this case, and it would be perfect. So I would just love to see like some little grip dots, just like those little tiny polycarbonate grip dots, just some kind of texture here on the sides. Maybe even on the back would be great, but especially on the sides to give you just little tiny bit more grip going around on this case, really on any of them. I think it would be very, very good. Rhino Shield did a fantastic job when it came to the SolidX, which used to be called the Solid Suit. I'll leave that video at the end of this one if you guys want to check it out. But they added a little tiny bit of grip to the sides, and it made the world of a difference. I would love to see Rhino Shield. If you guys are listening, please do the same thing with the clear case. It would be absolutely perfect if you did. Let's check out that MagSafe. So starting off, let's bring over that Apple MagSafe. Well, actually, you know what? While we're here, why don't we switch this off to, this thing's kind of tough to get off. Switch this off to the Shadow Black. Why not? These are exactly the same case all the way around. Everything about, oh, all those fingerprints. There you go, clear case. It's going to show some fingerprints. But exactly the same case all the way around. So let's start off with the black one. We'll go ahead and bring over Apple MagSafe wallet. Attach that. Animation, of course. And go ahead. You're not going anywhere. You got to give this a good bit of force to get your MagSafe wallet off. Bring over the Apple MagSafe battery pack, animation, sounds, animation, shake, and you are completely good to go. You're not going anywhere with that. And last but not least, our 623. Bring it up, give it a shake, and solid. Super solid MagSafe. You're not going anywhere. Here's your potholes. Ooh, here's your potholes. Here's all that. You're not going anywhere. Car mounts, nightstand chargers, MagSafe accessories will be just fine when it comes to this case. And just for fun, let's test the iPhone Air out. Same thing. Very, very good, solid MagSafe all across the board. So let's talk about the colors. Now, you guys saw that it's going to come in the clear. It's going to look like this. Now, by the way, both of these devices do come in these exact same colors. So if you see the colors for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, just know your iPhone Air, your iPhone 17, your iPhone 17 Pro are all going to come in the same colors. So like I said, we do have clear. It's going to come in ash black, gleam rosé, and nocturne blue. So you get a few different color options when it comes to this case. All around, I'm a huge fan of the Rhino Shield clear case. It is very, very good. It's a fantastic clear case. Just needs that one little thing, a little bit of grip on the sides, and this would literally be the perfect clear case. But let me know what you guys think about the Rhino Shield clear case down in the comments below. If you have one, let me know, because I absolutely love this thing. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. That goes a really long way for me and allows me to make these videos for you. And if you guys want to see my full review of that Rhino Shield SolidX, which is really, really good, I'll leave that video right here. But if you guys want to see another really good clear case that you may be interested in, I'll leave that video right here.